That's fine. We'll go get the other.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabriella and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down, subscribe guys, so you don't miss any more of my videos. I know it's a little bit weird. I am not wearing the same outfit I am wearing now in the video, as you guys are going to see now. I just noticed I did not record my intro, so I'm going to do it right now. But before we get into it guys, I want to let you guys know that I was going to show you guys what we did on Valentine's Day, and I was going to post it on my kids channel, but literally my SIM card deleted absolutely everything, and the video was so nice guys. I basically lost everything I literally had just because I recorded on my camera, but I did take like a couple pictures and a couple videos of everything, so I'm going to show you guys right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up guys, and let me know what other pranks I should do, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Gabby here. So I just wanted to come on here because the video that I did for the beginning recording and explaining to you guys what I was doing for the prank got deleted because my SIM card, I don't know what happened. Anyways guys, we are going to be putting locks onto the outlets plugins so he won't be able to play his games. Guys, I've been so annoyed lately with him playing video games every single day as he comes home from work, and he only plays it for a little amount of time, but I still get annoyed that the fact that he's on there. Like, get off. So let's see what's gonna happen. We're on our way to the kids room to put it on the kids room, because then just in case, if anything, he would try to use the Xbox here. And I have my daughter helping me. You go girl. No, just put it through one.
It's kind of hard. They're gonna hide.
Let me see.
Now can you squeeze it in, mommy?
Okay.
Now let's cut the
Okay, show the camera. This is how it looks.
Just cut it.
So he doesn't try us and stop playing. Okay,
Yeah, so
let's go.
Let's go find the other knob.
Okay. We'll see you guys down there. Going downstairs. No. It's this one right here. I'm gonna put you guys right here.
Which one? Is it tight?
No, come. It's here in the back.
Okay, got it? I'm gonna go.
Look, I got it.
Okay, you got it. So, I'm gonna be the key in the lock.
See how much playing we get to do today.
We're gonna go hide the keys. Got the wall.
What happened, babe?
Where you get this shit from? Where you get this shit from, huh?
Babe, what happened? Ooh, what happened, babe? What happened? What happened? Can't take it off now, huh?
Yeah, I can't. Never know.
Damn, babe.
That's fine. Let me go get the other one.
No, you're not. guys, and that's the very end of the video. Please let me know what you guys thought of it. If it was a good prank or a bad prank, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.